How to clear listening history on Spotify. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, head over to Spotify. After you're on Spotify, head over to your library and on the top you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will see settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy. After you tap on it, you'll find an option called privacy and social. Tap on privacy and social. Now, there is no way to clear listening history on Spotify, but if you want to pause your listening history or you want to listen something that you don't want to appear on your recently listened, what you can do is you can turn on private sessions. So as you can see right here, it temporarily hides your listening activity from your followers. So if you do this, you can listen to whatever you want for 6 hours and it will not appear anywhere. So you will see that it only automatically ends after 6 hours. So for 6 hours, you can listen to whatever you want. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.